What happened, Manny? Hasn't your spaceship been repaired yet?
It's still not fixed, and we're explorers of outer space. We need to wander around and explore, but the spaceship is still broken. We can't go anywhere like this.
Are you the only one who has a spaceship here, Manny? Come with me. This here is my spaceship, a caravan, if you will. It can't fly, but it can take us anywhere we want.
So shall we wander around with this?
Of course, my dude.
For example, can we go to the shore again? What do you think, Dad?
That's a perfect idea, Neşe. We'll have a picnic. Then we'll go sometime tomorrow. In fact, early in the morning, huh? How's that?
Hooray! We are going to the shore!
All aboard! Let's go visit the grocer and pick up some food for the picnic first.
You really are so funny, sir. They came from space, and now they're going on a picnic.
It was a great idea to have a picnic, dear. The kids are over the moon.
Let our young explorers explore as many places as they can.
Hooray! Oh! Hey! Ah!
Can we go down to the shore? I want to show them the beach before it gets too late.
Of course, darling. But don't go too far.
Your mom is right, Neşe. And I do trust you. Just don't lose sight of your mom and dad right here, okay? Get going. Enjoy every square inch of the beach.
Awesome!
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.